Hello friends. So today we start with our new lecture. I hope you all are good. So let's start. So today what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how to connect 2 points on our particular frame using OpenCV. Then we are going to learn one more thing, that how to fetch the BGR color from particular image and show it to the another window. So this all we are going to do with our mouse event function. So let's start that we already know few things that we have to import numpy as np, then import cv2. Now we have to create link event function. Over here we have to pass particular parameters, flags, param. Now on which event we have to check? If event equals to cv2 dot event left button down. So when we click our left button down, we have to create a circle. The cv.circle function is here, in which we have to pass the image, then coordinate, on which we have to create a dot, then after the radius, the 3 radius too small, and then color, what color you want. So we can take a white color which looks as a highlighter. Then -1 is the param that we pass to fill that particular dot with this mentioned color, white. So points, we have to create a list of points. So we have to append our coordinate inside this list. So right now it didn't define that particular list, so I am going to define after mentioning the coordinates x comma y. So let me define the list points equals to that list, empty list. Now I have to check if points. Now when we have to connect 2 points, when we have 2 points inside our list, it means the length of the list is equals to or greater than 2, greater or equals to 2. Then we have to create a line between that particular 2 coordinates, image points. How to fetch last element of a list by passing -1, and the second last, say -2. So now we have to pass the colors, so we can create white color line. White color line, is it okay to create a white color line? Let me change the color 0, 255, 255. Let's see which color it is. I think orange. Then we have created a line. Now we have to nothing to do much. Now I am going to show that my image, name of the image, frame image, and then particular image. So name of the image img. So let me read the image. img equals to cv2.im read. Now we already did in our previous class, so I am going to copy few code. This code I have to copy. As you already know what we are doing in this code, that we are are destroying our window and that little bit stuff. Set mouse callback function to calling this particular event, and cv2.im shows that we have written the image, and then we have to define that point empty list. So I think we are done. Let me run the code. It's take little time, and maybe you all know what image is this one that we had open in our last class, that beauty. खुल जा सिम सिम. So here we got, as you know that we have mentioned the white color, so it created a white dot. Now we have to connect this to white dot. Yeah, you can see that. So let me connect no, how to connect, let me write something. Okay, no, so they not control that option over here. So yeah, you can see that. So now what next we are going to learn how to particularly fetch this color area from the image and show that particular color in another window. So let me quit this window right now. So for doing that we have to create another event. If event equals to cv2 dot event right button down. So for that we have to fetch blue color from the image. In last class I have shown you how to fetch that particular blue dimension, blue channel, we can say that, passing the 0, and the same we have to do. So for doing that I need to copy blue, green, red, the another one is green, then red. So now next I have to draw that circle. So I already explained this code. Let me explain again. That image, then coordinate, then radius, then color, and then fill that color inside that circle. Now I have to create a one more window. Over that I have to show the color that I fetched from my first window. So let me my color image equals to np dot zeros. So I am going to create it black with particular dimensions, 3 channel, then np dot uint 8. Now what next I have to do, I have to pass that particular channel, particular color in that image. So for this I have just mentioned the colors blue, comma green, comma red. So I pass all the colors. So let me do a little, yeah, that's it. Now in the end I have to just show that particular in my another window. So img, so let me change this name because I am opening in another window. So color, and I want to show my this window. So yeah, I think that's it for now. Let me run the code. Now you can see that is fetch this particular area and show that color image. Let me fetch this. Let me close this once. Now this is the area of that particular. Yeah, this one is also working. Now let me fetch which part I can fetch. Now black is let me try this one. This one is also black. So let me fetch this part. Let me fetch this part. Oh yes, gray. So that's it guys, this is the more mouse events, and let's meet in our next lecture with the new topic. Okay, bye. Thank you all.